This is John. John just visited the garage for a service and continues his journey with confidence. A few days later, John and his family suddenly experience car trouble, leaving them stranded out in the cold. John calls for help from the roadside assistance company, and after waiting for some time, Kevin, the roadside technician, tells John the problem is his car battery. It needs replacing. Well, isn't that great? The mechanic at the garage didn't say anything about this, did he? John is not amused with the garage. He feels he's been let down. Did you know up to 50% of all car breakdowns are as a result of battery and electrical system problems? Almost half of these breakdowns can be prevented. That's why Technician Keith, there he is, checks every car battery coming into his garage. Batteries are maintained proactively, in the same way as tyres are checked for their wear. This way, Keith prevents problems for John, and he can sell a battery before it lets the customer down. Midtronics, advancing battery management.